Today we are going to explain the Magento 2 Marketplace Question Answer module. It provides better communication between buyers and sellers. Buyers can ask questions about the products and get answers from sellers. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. We have successfully logged in as the admin. To enable the module, click on the Store button. Then, click on the Configuration Settings option and select the module. To enable the module, choose the Yes option. The admin can also configure additional settings such as question approval required, answer approval required, and email notifications. After completing the configuration, click on the Save Configuration button. The module has now been successfully enabled. Now we will move to the front end. On the product page, the customer can ask a question by entering the query, fill the subject, and the display name. Then click on the Submit Query button. The query will be submitted successfully. To process the query, we will now move to the Admin panel. Click on Marketplace Management and select the Manage Product Question Answer option. As we can see, the query is currently in a disabled status. To enable it, click on the Options button, select the Enable option, and then click OK. The admin can also respond to the query. Click on the Respond option. Here, the admin can enter the response and click the Submit button. As we can see, the response has been added successfully. The seller can also reply to the same query. We are now on the seller dashboard. Click on the Manage MPQA option and select the query. Here, the seller can enter a response. Click on the Submit button. The response has now been saved successfully. To verify this, navigate to the product page. As we can see, the response is listed under the View Question and Answer section. That's all about this module. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.